We're going to talk about the difference between last, for the last, and in the last when talking about time. I went to the doctor's twice last week, last month, last year. Last week, last month, and last year here are talking about the week, month, and year before this one. There is no connection to now, it is before now. And what do we say when we want to talk about the day before this one? We just say yesterday, right? And we say yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, but last night. I've had the flu for the last week, so I've come to work only once in the last week. In both cases, we are talking about the period of time from a week ago until now. With for the last week, I've had the flu every day. It's continuous over a week. Within the last week, I have come to work only once within that time. Can you think of something you did last week? And what's one thing you've done in the last week and something else you've done for the last week?